I'm Vin of the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, May 18th through 20th. Head down, check out 15,000 plus attendees, 2,000 plus companies, and 150 plus speakers, including people like Matt Odell, Alex Gladstein, Lynn Alden, Michael Saylor, and many more to be announced. This will be my 4th time attending. Don't miss it. b.tc/conference. Use code BTC Sessions at checkout for 10% off.
I was looking at BTC Pay, and I was just going through like routed transactions or whatever, which I get a lot to your node sessions. And I was just kind of like scrolling through the payments and just kind of seeing volume and stuff. And it just struck me that with the amount of stuff that I've routed through my node, there's practically no way from like a probability stake. And I don't like route like a ton of stuff. It's not like this thing's just like flooding through thousands of transactions. But that basically just from normal operation, the fact that I've had it up for like 3 or 4 years, like I have probably extremely likely have routed somebody's payment for groceries in El Salvador or like a coffee in Argentina. You know, like I've literally completely global payments have just come through my node on a regular basis. And they're completely indistinguishable. And then going back, and I just thought like, I'm just like, that's so, like I'm running like a tiny little piece of it. Like think about, like go back 10, 20 years. How fucking crazy is that? You know, like the idea that I'm running a piece of literally a global payments network right now. And I just do it because I want a Lightning node with like some good liquidity so that I can, you know, buy Amazon gift cards and buy bullshit. And then in that same vein, going back to the, you know, everybody needs to hold their own keys and run their own nodes and all that stuff. Well, Breeze has released their SDK, and everything that I've been seeing in the development of Lightning and where things are going from kind of the trying to build easy non-custodial is that they've now just got an API where in a matter of like 3 or 4 seconds, you can spin up a node, you can set up your keys, and you can receive a payment non-custodially on Lightning. And it's just built into the code, and it like automatically connects to just kind of an open market of LSPs, like connected to their SDK. And so like you literally are going to just be able to put like, you're going to be able to do the wallet of Satoshi thing, except that you can just spin up a node on green light with a command in like a couple of seconds. And then it spins up like it's got keys like built right into the thing, and it opens a channel and it receives the payment. And they have custodially received that Bitcoin over Lightning, and it operates just like as quick or as responsive as something custodial like Wallet of Satoshi.